In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate night mode in Monday.com. If you spend long hours managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with your team, switching to night mode can seriously reduce eye strain and make your workspace much more comfortable, especially in the evenings. The good news is that turning on night mode in Monday.com only takes a few seconds, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Monday.com in your browser. You can do this by typing monday.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Once the website loads, log into your account using your email and password or whichever login method you normally use. After signing in, make sure you're on one of your main dashboards or boards. It doesn't matter which board you're viewing, as long as you're fully logged into your workspace and can see the main Monday.com interface. Now that you're inside your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initials displayed in a small circular icon. This is where your personal account settings are located. Go ahead and click on that profile picture or initials icon. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and preferences. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Change Theme. Depending on updates to the interface, it may simply say Theme, but it will be clearly related to display appearance. Click on Change Theme. Once you click it, you'll see the available theme options provided by Monday.com. From the list of themes, select Night. As soon as you click on Night, the interface will instantly switch from the default light theme to a darker background with lighter text. You'll notice that your boards, dashboards, side navigation panel, and overall workspace now appear in dark mode. This change is applied immediately and does not require you to refresh the page. That's it. Night mode is now activated on your Monday.com account. The setting is tied to your personal profile, so it will remain enabled whenever you log in unless you manually switch it back to the light theme. If at any point you want to revert to the original look, simply repeat the same steps. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Change Theme, and select the light option again. Using night mode can be especially helpful if you work late hours, prefer a darker interface, or simply want a different visual experience while managing your projects. It can reduce glare, improve focus, and make long work sessions much more comfortable. So once again, to activate night mode in Monday.com, log into your account, click your profile picture in the top right corner, select Change Theme, and choose Night. Quick, simple, and done in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.